What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So today we're talking about something that literally every CapCut user runs into at some point, that random network error or no internet connection message that pops up while you're right in the middle of editing. You're not doing anything wrong, your phone or PC isn't broken, and in most cases, this takes less than 5 minutes to fix once you know exactly what's going on. But before jumping straight to the solutions, I want to walk you through why this actually happens, because if you understand the cause, you'll be able to fix it yourself next time without even needing a tutorial. So here's the deal. CapCut isn't just an offline editing app anymore. A huge part of it, things like AI-powered effects, cloud templates, auto captions, and trending filters, all rely on a constant connection to CapCut servers. So the very first and most obvious cause is your own internet connection. If your Wi-Fi keeps dropping or your mobile data signal is weak even for a second, it can interrupt the request CapCut is sending, and that's when the error shows up. But here's something a lot of people don't realize. Sometimes it's not your internet at all, it's CapCut servers. Whenever a certain effect or template suddenly goes viral, and you'll usually notice this with trending Instagram or TikTok edits, millions of people try to use the exact same feature at the same time. That creates a temporary overload on CapCut's side, and the app just can't process the request, so it throws a network error even though everything on your end is working perfectly fine. Then there's the region restriction issue, which honestly causes a ton of confusion. Certain AI tools and premium effects are only unlocked in specific countries, so if you're located somewhere those features aren't available, or if CapCut itself is restricted in your country, you'll keep getting this error no matter how good your internet is. And finally, there are the smaller technical causes: an outdated app version, a buildup of corrupted cache data, wrong DNS settings on your device, or a VPN that's either misconfigured or conflicting with the app. Now that you know the possible reasons, let's actually fix it. Start with the basics, and I know this sounds obvious, but open another app or a website and confirm your internet is actually working properly. If it's slow, switch networks, connect to a stronger Wi-Fi, or try your mobile hotspot for a minute. Sometimes forcing a fresh connection is all it takes for CapCut to reconnect to its servers. After that, check for updates. Go to your app store, search for CapCut, and if there's an update available, install it, because a lot of these network bugs get patched in newer versions. Next, clear out CapCut's cache from inside the app settings. Cached files can get corrupted over time, and that corruption is often exactly what's blocking the connection. Now here's an important one: VPN usage. If you currently have a VPN turned on, disable it and try again, because VPNs are one of the biggest triggers for this specific error. But if you're dealing with a region-locked feature, the opposite trick works. Connect to a VPN server based in a different country. Servers in places like Singapore or Germany tend to work really well for unlocking CapCut's restricted features. Another solid fix is switching your device's DNS settings. Try using Google's public DNS, 8.8.8.8 and 8.4.4.4, or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1, since these often connect faster and more reliably than your default network DNS. If you've done all of this and the error is still popping up, it's time for a full reinstall. Delete CapCut completely from your device, restart it, and then download the latest version fresh from the official App Store or website. This wipes out any deep-rooted corrupted files that a simple cache clear can't touch. And even after all that, nothing changes? The issue is most likely on CapCut's end, either an account-specific glitch or a regional server problem. At that point, open the app, go to Settings, then Feedback, and submit a report describing exactly what's happening. Their support team typically gets back to you within a day or two. So, just to wrap it up, always start by checking your connection, keep the app updated, clear your cache regularly, and be smart about when to turn your VPN on or off. If you stay on top of these small habits, you'll barely ever run into this network error again. Alright, that's it for this video. If it helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll catch you in the next one.